Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today. Today's video I am super excited about. As you could tell from the thumbnail, we are announcing our very first Giveaway Friday winner. Very excited. Last week on Friday, August 2nd, we had a giveaway, and today, Tuesday, August 6th, I am announcing the winner. The winner is going to receive 3 of these Premier candy shop cakes, so I'm really excited for one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the comments you left on that video. I had forgotten about so many of those movies, so I am so excited to rewatch them, and some I've never even heard of. So I have a lot of movies to watch this winter and fall, so thank you guys so much for all your favorite movies. Thank you so much for sharing that with me. If you want to know my favorite movie, one is The Burbs with Tom Hanks. Super funny movie. And my other favorite movie is Fried Green Tomatoes. So those are my favorite movies. All right, let's get into today's video, you guys. I am so excited to announce the winner. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. You'll be notified when I upload new videos, and we'll be doing giveaways every Friday. So here's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna bring you in. This is the YouTube, what is it? It's the YouTube random comment picker. So I've already copied the link to that video. I'm gonna go ahead and paste it. It's gonna filter out the duplicate users, so if you commented more than once, it's just gonna filter those duplicates out. So let's get started. We had 486 comments, and let's pick a winner. The winner is Ada Davis, and her favorite is Castaway from Tom Hanks' Good Luck All. Well, that is congratulations to Ada Davis. You will be winning those 3 cakes of Candy Shop from Premier Yarns. All you have to do is email me your shipping address. I will leave the email in the description below this video. So Ada Davis, congratulations. I hope you enjoy your winnings. Send me your shipping address and I will get that out to you early next month. Remember, I'm going to be shipping everything at the same time at the end of the month. So you should be receiving your winnings at the beginning of next month. Another thing I want to say is if someone doesn't claim their winnings within a week, I'm just going to add whatever they would have won to another giveaway. So if Ada Davis, for instance, doesn't claim her winnings within a week, so by next Tuesday, I'm just going to go ahead and add it into the following giveaway. So there we have it, you guys. That was our giveaway, our very first Giveaway Friday. I'm super excited. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, you guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.